Okay, we're going to talk about group planning exercise. As I've already told you, the book is a good guideline. I'm going to explain that properly to you so that you all people can understand. ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज वो एक्सरसाइज है जिसको आपको समझने की जरूरत है. आपको समूह के साथ एक टीम की तरह वर्क करना है. यू हैव टू वर्क इन द ग्रुप like a team. You cannot do one thing that you are just running around here and there. But along with the team, you have also to remember what are the different kind of challenges. You should be having the ability, if you want to be an officer, to identify what are the challenges, what is the time problems, what are the resources, and how you can get it done. मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि अगर कल को आप अधिकारी बनते हैं और आपको इतना खुद इल्म होना चाहिए, इतनी जानकारी होनी चाहिए कि किस तरह आप समस्याओं को पहचान सकें, साधनों को पहचान सकें, समय की महत्वपूर्णता जान सकें और काम को पूरा कर सकें. We really want you to really know that what are the different challenges, what are the different resources hidden as well as evident, and what are the time challenges. Now, many of you, they say that is it Hindi alone? No, I would like you to preferably move to English. Though I will explain you in Hindi now and then for the people who are watching for Hindi aspect, but English is preferable because when you go down to the practical application of SSB, you will have to adhere to English. You will have to follow English. You will have to come up to the challenge of English. Why? Very simple. English is practically the connecting language of the country. We agree that Hindi is our Rashtrabhasha, but there is no doubt that English is practically the connecting language. It helps us to connect with the South, it helps us to connect with the East, it helps us to connect with the West, and more importantly, with the globe. So if you desire, if you dream to be an officer, get out of that cocoon, try to learn English also. अगर मैं हिंदी के साथ साथ अंग्रेजी अच्छे से बोल सकता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि सब लोग ये कर सकते हैं. वाक्पटुता एक क्वालिटी होती है, एक विशेषता होती है, और अगर आप में चुनौती लेने की क्षमता है अधिकारी के तो आप अंग्रेजी को भी अच्छे से बोल सकते हैं. यू कैन स्पीक एंड यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू बी एक्सीलेंट इन इंग्लिश. You don't have to be grammatically full-time correct, but you should be confidently cool. Is it clear? And if you say something, I'm sorry, that was the wrong word, sorry. You can say that, yes or no. So don't have to feel embarrassed, be confident. Remember the girl in the Lakme fashion show? She had a slip, she lost a little bit of her dress line, but she immediately controlled it, walked the full thing and came back. This made her a very confident model and many companies thereafter vouched for her. Why? Because her confidence was enormous. भूल सबसे हो सकती है पर भूल में डरना नहीं. Is it clear? चलिए अब let's start with the group planning exercise. Group planning exercise is basically created to see how you can think like a team, how you can lead like a leader in the team, how you will keep the wisdom like a team leader. घर में पिता को हम लोग देखते हैं. In our house we see our father. How does he do? He not only manages all the work, but he also keeps his family together. Yes or no? So the same thing has to be done here. You've already done 2 group discussions. They've already picked up how you are, how is your thinking pattern, how is your speaking pattern, how is your analytical pattern, and how is your connecting pattern. अभी जान चुके वो लोग. आपके एसेसर जीटीओ साहब आपके बारे में he is already aware how good you are in communication, how you connect, what is your analytical level. He is already aware of all this. Is it clear? Not clear? So what now is important? That is why the third test is group planning exercise, where we want to see how you work as a team. Now what happens when any computer is generated? When any computer is generated, there is a possibility that the computer may have a different software program, whereas the other may be having a different guidelines. कई बार हर कंप्यूटर के अपने अपने सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम्स और लाइनिंग होती है, जिसके फलस्वरूप क्या होता है, जिसके फलस्वरूप एक दूसरे मैच नहीं करते. Now you must be knowing that we generally create a server and we try to create a computer network. Yes or no? All of you are aware of all these computers today. Yes or no? आप लोगों को मालूम है कंप्यूटर होता है, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क बनाया जाता है. अब इसका क्या तात्पर्य है? This is only to create a teamship. Same thing in the group planning. If your computer, that is your mind, and others' mind keep competing with each other, they don't understand each other's software program, they don't come to a common goal, will it function properly? Yes or no? Probably not. So we want to check that. कई बार लोगों को ईगो इश्यूज होती है. There are people, I have seen particularly few people suffering from a inferiority complex or superiority complex, which are both negative. वो that whenever you speak, they will speak against you. आपके विरुद्ध जरूर बोलेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि अगर हमने इससे लंबी लाइन खींच दी तो मेरी लाइफ जिंगा लाला. That if I speak better than this person, I'm going to do wonderful. This is a psychological disorder. If you're working as a team, you don't have to belittle the others. You don't have to insult the others. You have to connect with the others. And you have to be focused in connection with the purpose. काम पे ध्यान देंगे तो आप एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे. अगर आप लॉजिकल रहेंगे, कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे. पर अगर आप उसको एक कंपटीशन लेंगे, काम पे कम ध्यान देंगे, दूसरे का मुंह कैसे बन रहा है, ऐसे कैसे बोल रहा है, वैसे कैसे बोल रहा है, मेरे को उंगली क्यों बोल रहा है, ये सब अगर आप करेंगे तो आप कर चुके और टीम बना चुके. Is it clear? You won't be. But human factor, we generally get affected. You know, there are some times when I speak with an aggressiveness, when I teach you all guys, and you all people feel, oh, sir is getting annoyed. Actually, I have no purpose to belittle you, no reason to humiliate you. But when you don't understand, then I speak louder. And there are many people I see, they are more bothered about how I'm speaking on that point rather than focusing what I'm speaking. You getting the point? Armed forces में जब आप जाएंगे, I have lived my entire childhood there. I have seen that there are many times when officers are speaking with good intention, but they may be speaking with different styles. So people who focus on intention and focus on objective do better. There are some people who say, oh my God, this guy talks long. Oh my God, he stares at me while talking. Oh my God, he looks at me this way. Oh my God, he was smiling at my talking. There are many times you have such complications. Please get out of it. Please get out of it. And no harm meant. Girls have a habit socio-culturally. Sorry, I'm not being gender biased, but I'm still telling, girls have a habit because of the socio-culture that they tend to perceive everything. Oh, he was smiling and then talking. No, he was making a grumpy face. No, his tone was not good. Don't do all that. Is it clear? Don't do all that. Try to focus on what is happening and enjoy working. Yes, don't get disturbed. That's it. Clear? These directives are very important. That is why before beginning I have told you. मैंने समझाने की कोशिश इसलिए की क्योंकि आप लोग एक दूसरे के मुंह ज्यादा देखते हो, काम पे ध्यान कम देते हो. ये ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज यही देखना चाहता है कि आप समूह में काम करते समय काम को महत्व देते हो या अपनी ईगो को या एक दूसरे के चेहरे को. यस और नो? तो आपको काम पे तवज्जो देना है और ईगो पे नहीं देना. मान लीजिए somebody is giving some other suggestion, you are giving some other suggestion, there may be, but if you are coming to a rational point, you either convince the rational point to his or you take his rational point. Yes or no? But instead of stopping anything, at least keep moving. काम करते जाइए. Is it clear? समझ में आया ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज का मकसद? मोटा माटी. We want to check that. And if you are a good, focused, logical person, oh my God, you are officer in the making. We are going to select you. So the girls and boys, please pay attention. Let's begin. And group planning exercise, where we begin from What is the purpose? Please listen to it so that you can go fast. We've got a very concentrated class today. So please pay attention and be fully attentive. You can you can go for the revisions, particularly for the online also. We are facilitating the course. And for the people who are here, you got to pay full attention. Purpose of group planning exercise is a task designed to identify candidates' ability to calmly, ठंडे, बड़बड़ाइए मत. Hey, नहीं करना है. We have to be relaxed and perform efficiently. That does not mean speak softly. Speaks जितना कि सुनाई दे और दूसरे को प्रभावशाली तक पहुंचाई दे. चिल्लाना नहीं है, पर बोलना है. Yes or no? Be assertive. Yet effectively decide and contribute as a team member in team activity. Clear? Yes or no? And enjoy the enthusiasm also. Candidates' qualities, the officer-like qualities are rightly identified by the response. आपकी OLQs आपके response से दिखेगा, आपका behavior से दिखेगा. It will come out from a behavior, it will come out from a response, the way you're focusing on the work. Is it clear? Don't doubt yourself and don't doubt on others. Is it clear? अपने से डरो मत बोलते समय और ना ही दूसरे पे डाउट करो. Yes, be very focused. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि इसका सजेशन अच्छा है तो इसे I'm sorry, I think this suggestion is better. You getting the point? This will improve the group plan. So that flexibility of correcting yourself is a beauty itself. There are some people who think that, oh, I've said this, but this person, now he's trying to humiliate me. Why do you think so? Why do you think so? In a team, it is not this. If you have played football, you will realize there are many times when Lionel Messi, one of the greatest players, of course, Cristiano Ronaldo is also good, but Lionel Messi is considered a little better only for one reason. He generally plays as a team member more than a fighting kind of a person. Though Cristiano Ronaldo is a good fighting kind of a player. But Lionel Messi is more a team player and he often assists goals also, more. That means he creates a plan. So it is not important to be the winner, but it is important to architect the victory. आप जीते ना जीते पर कम से कम जीत को तो तैयार करें. ये हम लोग आपसे उम्मीद करते हैं. Is it clear? So here we go. So got this point, the officer like is rightly identified in us to the group plan. Clear? Now we go down to the second point. Important points जो candidate को याद करने चाहिए. Candidate must be attentive to every word the group testing officer says. याद रखिए GTO आपके instructions को draft करके रखता है. The GTO keeps the instructions drafted. So it's not this that he forgets what he said. They have booklets. So it is very clear that he is speaking something. So he is expecting that you are attentive to understand. If you are not attentive to understand, I'm sorry to say, you are not a good executor. You will not be able to do well. So you have to listen to the instruction very properly because attentiveness is important. Candidate must carefully mentally record all the symbol, resources, location, skills. Now there are some lost case when he's speaking and they're looking somewhere else or they're looking at some other person. This is foolishness. When he's telling you something, concentrate. He's saying resources, identify. Resources means police station, hospital, some connecting point, some divisional headquarter, some army unit posted nearby. So these are all resources. Resources माने संसाधन. संसाधन माने जहाँ पे लोग मदद करने के लिए मिल जाएंगे, जहाँ पे आधिकारिक हेल्प मिल जाएगी, जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि आपके 2 हाथ 12 हाथ हो जाएंगे. Yes or no? आपकी टीम तो है ही आपके साथ, आप और भी मदद ले सकते हैं. कई बार सरकारी मदद, the help from the governmental sources, the help from the other sources are going to help you immensely. You better do that. Is it clear? Now some people complaining that I speak Hindi in between. Let me tell you, you are living in India. You may be having some people in the group speaking Hindi. So don't become totally foreigner. We are expecting you to have a blend of English and Hindi. Yes, English should be more, but Hindi should be understood. Maybe in your group you may have some people coming from different Hindi speaking states and they are speaking in Hindi, so don't start looking down upon them. Is it clear? So please go ahead with both the things. I'm trying to manage both the language. तो ये symbol resource location याद रखिएगा. The candidate must ably analyze all the situations, seen, unseen elements. Now, for example, what do you mean by unseen elements? Now, for example, you need a motorcycle, or you need a cycle, or you need a bucket. But you know, you're not seeing the bucket, but it's there that there is a village. You know that in the village there will be a bucket. You know that in the village there will be a cycle. You know that in the village there may be a possibility of a motorcycle also. Yes or no? So this is called your visualization level. There are some people who can visualize, who use presence of mind. Suppose I want a pen immediately. What should I do? What should I do? I request you guys. You're sitting as students here. You have to have a pen. Yes or no? If I want an extra pen, whom should I look for? The possibility, look at the girl. Because generally girls have a habit of carrying a stationary box with them. More than the boys. Boys can walk in with only a single pen. Now this is resources. This is observation. Am I right or wrong? Generally, it has been found. Okay, but everybody should learn from this. So resources are hidden, but you should be able to see. So ये समझ में आ गया, hidden resources must be able to visualize and frame a plan which should be proper. Plan करो कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं. More than understanding the instructions, example will open your mind. But instructions are important, so I'm teaching you all these, telling you the important points. But when you go to the plan, when we'll give you an example, you will understand everything, because I'll make you understand that. And please use your book notes. It's going to help you a lot. We're coming up with supportive ebooks that will multiply your efficiency, raise your standard of thought, and make you an excellent person. I again believe that you don't join armed forces, no problems. But if you do not learn and become smart in the present state, then I'm sorry to say, survival is going to become difficult for you. आपके लिए सर्वाइवल डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है, इसलिए होशियार बनिए, समझदार बनिए. हम सियार नहीं बोल रहे, होशियार बोल रहे. सियार कनिंग होता है, सिर्फ अपनी सोचता है. होशियार सबकी सोचता है, सबकी सोचने का लाभ होता है. सब लोग आपके साथ भी होते हैं. सियार सिर्फ अपनी सोचता है, उसके बाद जब दिक्कत आती है तो अकेला होता है. और होशियार सबको सोचता है, होश में रह के सोचता है. तो अगर हम उसको जोड़े, होश लग के सियार बने, तो हम बन जाएंगे होशियार. स्मार्ट बने पर होश के साथ बने, तो सबको लेके चलेंगे. इसका क्या होगा? हमें लाभ मिलेगा. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? ओके. कैंडिडेट को ऑल्सो राइट सोल्यूशन एंड राइट रिसोर्सेज की तरफ भी ध्यान देना चाहिए. कई बार आंखों में दिखाई नहीं देता है, पर अगर आप यूज करना शुरू करेंगे, आंखों से आपको सॉल्यूशंस मिल जाएंगे. Then candidate will observe the right set of priority in sorting the various changes appropriately. कौन सी क्या चीज कब करनी है उसको मालूम होना चाहिए. Is it clear or not clear? Okay. Candidate must possess both compassion and efficiency to resolve issues. आपके मन में दिल होना चाहिए कि हमें सॉल्व करना है. कई लोग सोचते हैं ओके चलो कैसे भी कर लो. Don't do it. Whenever you do any task, you write stories, you write word, you do group planning, do it with full interest. Enjoy the working. Imagine that it is really happening. Imagine that I have to do it best. And believe me, you will do very well. Is it clear to all of you? So imagine कि हो ही रहा है. अच्छा यह है, इसकी मदद करनी यह है, इसकी मदद करनी यह है, इसकी मदद करनी, इन सबको जोड़ना है. Please pay full attention and carry on. और राइट सेट ऑफ प्रायोरिटी करिए. देखिए हर चीज की एक प्रायोरिटी होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस टाइम वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन द क्लास, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट यू विल बी हैविंग अ लंच टाइम, देन योर नेक्स्ट टाइम विल बी प्रैक्टिस टाइम, then there will be another thing, doubt clearing time. So everything has a priority. Now there are times when you are being taught, you want to think of doubt clearance. Well, learning can be, few doubts can be cleared, but a lot of personal doubts can only be cleared in a different session. So you should have a clear priority. You get up in the morning, yes or no? And when you get up in the morning, what is your first priority? To just go and freshen up, wash your face, open your eyes full, do your brush, and thereafter few freshen up activities, and thereafter you're ready for the day. Am I right? Yes or no? Or you just get up and you start, you don't do anything and just go to work or something like that. Does it happen? No, you have to put your priorities straight so that you can work properly. So ये याद रखिएगा. Next, candidate must be a good listener. कंपैशन और इन्वॉल्वमेंट मैंने बता दिया. कंपैशन का मतलब होता है दिल से जुड़ो. कोई काम करो दिल से करो. कई लोग दे डू इट परफंक्टरली. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय परफंक्टरली? काम के लिए काम कर दिया, ड्यूटी बस ऐसे लिख दो. यू नो वन कैन रीड दैट यू हैव ट्राइड, वन कैन रीड दैट यू हैव नॉट ट्राइड. इज इट क्लियर? ट्राई योर बेस्ट. कैंडिडेट मस्ट बी गुड लिसनर, also be a good contributor as a speaker. Now this is a combination which you got to remember. अब group planning exercise है, आप सोचते हो मेरा ही plan चले. I think you are the biggest fool in the world. Group planning means you can suggest your plan, but also listen to others' plan. Take good points from there, take good points from here, take good points from here, and then come with a plan. Now what will happen? Every group people will also enjoy the plan. And by having that flexible approach to appreciate others' point and to join those others' points, you are doing a wonderful thing. समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? So you do a wonderful thing. Everybody supports. You have to have a holistic holistic view. आपका जो विचार है, जो नजरिया है, वो बृहद होना जरूरी है, बड़ा होना जरूरी है, ब्रॉड होना जरूरी है, ताकि सबके पॉइंट्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा. अब सबको तो नहीं संतुष्ट किया जा सकता, पर मुख्यतः मेजरली बहुमत को तो करा जा सकता है. हाँ या ना? और याद रखिएगा, बहुमत हो या अदर, तार्किक होती है, लॉजिकल होती है. जितना लॉजिकल रहेंगे उतनी बहुमत आपके साथ रहेगी. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, रिमेंबर दैट. नाउ as we have said property must include practical and feasible solution. जो आपके practical solutions हैं, feasible, वो जो practically possible है उनको दिखाइए. Is it clear or not clear? Then last but not the least, the candidate must be cooperative and not competitive. आप में से बहुत सारे लोग, you know, when you go there, you think that SSB is a competition, which unfortunately it is not. It is a cooperative participation where you are performing with all your energy and enjoying the teamwork. You are not supposed to prove yourself. You are supposed to express yourself. I again give a line repeatedly for SSB. You are not there to impress. You are there to express. Now, what is the difference between impress and express? You have already a biodata. You already have observation and learning. You've already done many things. You have to express that yes, you know enough. And you don't have to prove them you're the best. Whatever you are, you prove them. That's important. So you don't have to compete with others. दूसरों के साथ प्रतिस्पर्धा नहीं करनी है. Perform करना है, cooperate करना है. Yes or no? Clear? And be happy with whatever you are. You're a wonderful person. There is no doubt about it. So please go by that. Next we come down word of caution. In word of caution I always say, well they have not written here, but word of caution is that don't be careless in observing. अब कई लोग resources में ध्यान नहीं देते. They have been given that they have a motorcycle, yet they are searching for a motorcycle. They are not able to understand that in a tent they will be having lot of things. They will not be able to. So these are all very silly things. And don't do anything which is absolutely adventurous. आपको होश और जोश को लेके चलना है. You have to take both the wisdom and the enthusiasm together. Clear or not clear? That is it. Word of caution आगे देखिएगा. Planning and writing process में क्या है? Read it from the book. I have deliberately tried to give you a little so that let your curiosity be alive and you read from the book what are the word of cautions. What all you have to study from there. See, more you read by your own interest, more you will absorb. More you will dependent on listening. Mind is a wavering person. Why the books? The books help you to read, reread, reread. As a process, in the first time you will understand something. In the second time you may understand better. In the third time, you will understand best. And in the process, you will be able to understand the logic. I don't know if you have read law books. In law books, what happened, the words are very complicated. कभी कानून की किताब पढ़िएगा, काफी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है, तो उसको दोबारा दोबारा पढ़ना पड़ता है ताकि उसके पूरे इंटरप्रिटेशंस निकालो, तभी कानून का पूरा सदुपयोग हो पाता है। इसी तरह अगर किताब को 2-3 बार आप दोबारा दोबारा पढ़ेंगे, आपको हर तथ्य की तर्क समझ में आएगा, लाजमी समझ में आएगा। We are not trying to teach you some artificial decoration. We are trying to go down to your deeper thought process so that your thought process itself becomes so strong that everybody loves you, everybody appreciates you. As I have told you, love is triggered by need, love is triggered by appreciation, love is triggered by magnetism, love is triggered by positivity. You getting the point? If somebody is positive, somebody is magnetic, somebody tends to fulfill your need, somebody you are comfortable with, that is love. You getting the point? There is not a thunderbolt system coming as per Shah Rukh Khan that suddenly you saw somebody and suddenly a thunderbolt struck. No, nothing of that sort, please. We are in a scientific world, let's talk scientific. Is it clear, not clear? That is why all the different equations come up, because there are people who are not caring. So they are not caring, so they're creating problem. Now there are some people who believe in love, they're going to control, they're going to keep everything under control. They're going to tell, sit down, get up, don't talk with this person, don't laugh here, do this, do that. Now do you think it will happen? It's slavery. It's not love. It is slavery. And the moment a person realizes it, the person, in spite of the dedication, will break free. Because freedom is one thing which human beings value most. That is why I am trying to educate you. So always remember these points. I'm sorry I go wayward, but the idea is to make you understand. आपको समझदार बनना है. Is it clear? Similarly, group में अगर आपको दूसरे को अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हो, दूसरे को अच्छा लॉजिकल पॉइंट बोल रहे हो, आपके पॉइंट्स अच्छे हैं, तो आपका ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रुप में एक्सेप्टेंस हो जाएगा. दूसरे को अप्रिशिएट भी करो. You have not come there to get selected. Others have also come there to get selected. So it should be a mutual team effort to get selected. Not that I only want to get selected. This thought process we leave. If you think of all, with thinking also of yours, I think you are doing the best job. Is it clear? समझ में आ रहा है बात? समझ में आ रही है? तुम लोग ने कई बार देखा that Mahendra Singh Dhoni was supposed to be one of the coolest captain. Why? Because he always participated, but he also encouraged participation of others. And since he was a wicket keeper, he was sitting in a position where he could see the entire game properly. What is the bowler doing? What is the batsman doing? And how the fielders can be placed. Yes or no? So he was able to coolly, calmly contribute. Now planning and writing. The candidate must write with clarity. एक paragraph लो, लिखो. Next. Again I'm saying, you learn everything with the example. But see this example. With clarity, देखिए उसमें deliberately structured कि कोई इतनी जरूरत नहीं कि हर चीज को एकदम उल्टा सम ऐसे करके लिखो. आप naturally लिखो जैसे आप understand कर सको, but clarity होनी चाहिए, confusion नहीं होना चाहिए. एक साथ 4-5 चीजें नहीं लिख देनी. एक पॉइंट लिखा, चाहे एक पैराग्राफ में एक ही टास्क लिया, उसको सॉल्व किया, फिर दूसरे को पकड़ा, दूसरे को सॉल्व किया, ऐसे करो. You remember in all your passage, every paragraph has a meaning. Yes or no? What is one paragraph doing? Conveying a message, conveying some information. What is the second paragraph doing? Conveying another set of message. And then the whole story becomes clear. Is it clear? So do that. Candidate must not only visualize mentally the possible, but also pen it by moving from A to Z. देखिए, प्रायोरिटी पहले, अब मान लीजिए, everybody has that common sense. If you are taking a class and suddenly somebody starts panting for breath or has a heart attack or some other thing, it can happen to anyone. So what will we do? We will continue with the class, or we will stop the class and give him immediate attention, send him to hospital, and after doing the needful, what we will do? Then we will continue the class. Yes or no? So that is how life is. Priority has to be given to life. Now there is fire in the classroom, in the back portion due to some short circuiting. So what are you going to do? Continue the class or control it? You know, control it. Yes or no? So these priorities are very natural. Must not think as per a learned procedure, but in a common sense. See, in a learned, you should learn, but you should learn not as a mugged up things. रटिए मत, चीजों को समझिए ताकि आपकी समझ गहरी हो. Become deeper in your thought process. So whenever you speak, when you're writing, don't mug up things. Write in a proper system. आपको कई लोग क्या करते हैं? They want to look excellent in this. They try to show structured system of writing. Don't do. You can follow the structure process, but don't artificially decorate it. Now let me ask you. For example, there is a person who has written a writing. He has written a passage. काफी अच्छे से लिखा हुआ है, सिस्टमैटिकली पॉइंट है. और एक लड़की ने लिखा है, पॉइंटर लगाया, हाइलाइटर, स्केच पेन, अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है. आप ये बताओ, एक तीसरे जन ने लिखा है, सब कुछ कंफ्यूज है, पता ही नहीं चल रहा क्या लिखा है, कहाँ पे लिखा है, कोई हाईलाइट भी नहीं है. तो ज्यादा प्राथमिकता किसको मिलेगी? नेचुरल प्राथमिकता उसको मिलेगी जिसने क्लियर लिखा है, भले स्केच पेन वेच पेन नहीं यूज किया हो, पर प्रॉपरली चीजों को लिखा है. हाँ, लड़की को भी प्राथमिकता मिलेगी क्योंकि लड़की ने उसको व्यवस्थित करके लिखा है, पर प्राथमिकता वो नेचुरल कम लगेगी, वो लगेगी डेकोरेशन करके रखा है. ये बीच वाले को थोड़ी नेचुरल परफॉर्मेंस का वैल्यू मिलेगी. एम आई राइट? ये सुनो. सो गेन द वैल्यू ऑफ द मिडिल सेंस. डोंट लुक टू डेकोरेटेड एंड डोंट बी naked in your performance. That is no sense, nonsense. Is it clear? Remember that. So now candidate must not only visualize, right, as per learn process. Is it clear? Now candidate mindset. देखिए, आपके जितने psychological tests हैं, more than the performance, they are looking at your mindset. They are identifying your psychology. अगर आपकी mindset अच्छी है, if you have the right set of mind, if you have the right set of approach, if you appreciate others, if you clearly understand the priorities, if you clearly understand what should be done, and by the way, they are not teaching you something out of the world, they are commonsensical situations, something which is related to logic. So your mindset is very important. Candidate must have the psychological belief that will be, एक होता है positivity कि मैं कर लूंगा. फर्स्ट में ही mindset है, no, I won't be able to do it, I cannot do so well. मैं अच्छा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मेरे को अच्छा करना नहीं आता, I'll not be able to do it. I think this is one of the poorest, weakest mindset. The moment you believe that you will fail, the failure starts coming out. So stop thinking that. Is it clear? Mindset होना चाहिए मैं अच्छा करूंगा, यानी हम लोग का ग्रुप भी पूरा काम करेगा, ये भी हो जाएगा, ये भी हो जाएगा, ये भी हो जाएगा, टेंशन नहीं ना. There is no tension. अपन का टाइम आएगा. We will be able to do it. That kind of approach should be there. Is it clear? Remember that. Candidate must use resources given to its optimum level best. अब आपके पास संसाधन, एक पुलिस ऑफिसर है, तो पुलिस ऑफिसर के पास एक वायरलेस है, गाड़ी है, 4 लोग हैं, उसके पास बंदूक भी होगी, नहीं होगी तो अरेंज कर लेगा. So you should use him maximum. You should request him कि सर आप थोड़ी और पुलिस वालों को बुला लो, ये बुला लो, वो बुला लो, जितनी जरूरत हो. So use it properly. जीप है, आपने एक बार यूज की, खड़ी कर दी, अरे भैया जब काम चल रहा है तो उसका पूरा यूज करिए. Am I right? If you require it, it will be foolish that for small work in your one bathroom to the drawing room you are using the jeep. No, we are not requesting that. इसका मतलब नहीं होता कि रिसोर्स का मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइजेशन है. रिसोर्सेज का मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइजेशन है कि मान लीजिए कोई इमरजेंसी काम के लिए आपने यूज की, आपको लग रहा है दूसरी भी इमरजेंसी है, तो आपने तुरंत जीप वाले से बोला यू कम डाउन हियर. Suppose you are using the jeep for one emergency and you feel there is another emergency waiting, so you can request the jeep fellow to immediately drop and come back here. Don't you do it in marriages? When you request the driver, go and drop and come back, so that then next you can send the other relative, then you can do this, yes or no. Am I right? So do that. Use the resources. Candidate must be able to plan both as emergency action and thereafter the necessary action for situations given. Whatever is emergency, like emergency, there is fire. And one more thing, like for example, you are supposed to give your exam. It is happening during your exam days. So now that doesn't mean that there is a fire. So I will only think of the fire and I will not think of my examinations. Yes or no? Yes, you should solve the emergency and then return back to your other responsibilities also. Yes or no? Emergencies give you no excuse to run away from your responsibilities. Is it clear? Emergencies were extra efforts. Remember that. Candidate must be able to think economically and situationally. Don't try to spend that, okay, I'll call a helicopter, we're going to use the private funds, we're going to do this. You should be intelligent to use what is available there in minimum and as per situation. Is it clear? Understood, not understood? Yes, if there is a helicopter there, then you can use that person for sending in emergency. But if it is not there, why are you doing it? So do as per situation and economically. Candidate must write a full page at least while writing. You will get a situation, you know that group planning exercise mein, you will be given a situation, then you will be told to write on it. And after writing, they will tell you now you all leave the paper behind and you all people discuss and come to a common plan. That is the process? Yes or no? So in the process, you should be able to write and thereafter at least write a full play. Why full paper? Very simple, beta. It is only to make sure that you are able to think in a broader perspective and in details. So when you are able to think in details and broader perspective, what is the beauty? It shows that you have got a capability inside you. Your capability is alive. You can think in multiple aspects. You can think in details. Yes or no? आप अगर एक पन्ना पूरा लिखते हैं तो ये दिखता है कि आप में सोचने की क्षमता अच्छी है और सोचेंगे और अच्छा करेंगे. Is it clear? Yes or no? So do that. That's very important. Okay, then we come down to discussion and group planning method preferably. I'll teach you that, but okay. जब आप GP में करते हैं, I have some points to tell you. Though in the book it is very beautifully written, but still, since we were giving you a lecture, let me explain you. In the group discussion, what is the purpose? Group discussion. What are the different words which we can use for group discussion? If their discussion is of different order, we can call it group argument. Then there is one more, group conflict. Then there is one, group silence. But what is the word being used? Group discussion. If the group is silent and nobody is speaking, then it will be group silence. Then maybe one of the person may create it as a lecturate, which is not what we want. Then we want you to discuss. Discuss means you say something, you listen to others, you tend to compile things together and keep moving. Keep working. Discuss systematically. Suppose we are discussing a marriage. कि मैरिज का प्लान होगा, एक जन की शुरू से लेकर आखिरी तक मैरिज प्लान करनी है. कहां से शुरू होगी? वरीक्षा से शुरू होगी. It will start from the engagement ceremony. You'll have to plan, okay, in the engagement we're going to do this. I'm going to do it this way. Then we're going to do this. Then we're going to do this. And then it will be the reception in the last. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So while you're planning this way, similarly, in your tasks, you'll be having different situations. There's an accident. There is a serious problem here. And there is this problem. There is this problem. So first, what will you discuss? Let's do this. And then what do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Yeah, we can also add this. Then you go to the second one. Okay, now let's move forward. You will have to push also, because sometimes you'll find people wasting a lot of time discussing only one point, regularly changing it, which should not be done. Some decision has to be made, or you will keep thinking only of engagement ceremony. with all the variety. No, you have to move ahead. कई बार कुछ लोगों की आदत होती है एक ही चीज को बार बार बदल बदल के उसी को डिस्कस करते जाते हैं, इरिटेट कर देते हैं आदमी को. That is true. So don't do that. Clear, not clear? Okay, getting the point. So get it done. Understood? So do that. मेरी एक आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है. Is it clear, not clear? Now you go down to the second one. Once you have done this, then you come down to the second. Sir, हम लोग इसमें ये करेंगे. थर्ड में हम लोग ये करेंगे. थर्ड, फोर्थ पे ये करेंगे. फिफ्थ. इस तरीके से आपको करना चाहिए. This is the way you have to do it. Is it clear, not clear? So if you do that way, you'll do better. Otherwise you won't. Is it clear, not clear? हाँ या ना? तो ये बात को जरा समझिए. तो डिस्कशन का कोई पैरामीटर नहीं है, इसीलिए ये चीज यहाँ पे लिखी नहीं, पर बुक में आप पढ़िएगा. यू शुड मूव ऑन. वन. ओके, नेक्स्ट. यस, दिस गुड आइडिया. अगर किसी ने अच्छा आइडिया दे दिया, कोऑपरेटिवली उसके आइडिया को जोड़ लीजिए. आप यहाँ पे क्या करने बैठे? व्हाट आर यू हियर फॉर? क्रिएटिंग अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन. इफ यू हैव गिवन गुड सजेशन, now nobody is listening to your good suggestion. Don't get irritated. It happens in the group that you have given your job. Your job is to give, not to believe that they will accept. And once you see that you've said this, and if somebody else is saying, no, we'll do this, but okay, let's move. Because by not doing your good thing, there is a problem. Agreed. But by doing nothing, there is a bigger problem. अगर कुछ भी कोई नहीं करेगा तो गलत है. तो अगर कोई बोल रहा है चलो ये करते हैं, तो बोलो अच्छा ठीक है ये कर लेते हैं. अच्छा हाँ, इसमें ये चीज बदल लें. तो वो छोटे छोटे बदलाव करके ग्रुप प्लान को अच्छा करिए, बजाय कि अपनी बात को प्रूव करने के लिए ग्रुप में कंफ्यूजन खड़ा कर दीजिए, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट खड़ा कर दीजिए. डोंट क्रिएट दैट. इज इट क्लियर? सम टिप्स आर देयर. Rest we will discuss more on this. This is an introductory so that some people can come up. अब conclusion method क्या है? जब आपने discussion सब चीज पे कर लिया, आप में से किसी को कहा गया कि okay, you stand up and give the conclusion. Then when they ask who will give the conclusion, you should be not hesitating to raise your hands. But that does not mean that you only will shout and give the conclusion. You can volunteer. Request, sir, please allow me. If people are opposing, there are 2-3 others, you say no problems, you say. So that is accommodation and cooperation. But if you think that no, I'm going to say it, or you stand up and start speaking, that will show that you are very, very dominative and sometimes non-cooperative. Yes or no? And the GTO may notice this. And later on you will find this. So it is better to be acceptable by the group rather than forcing the group. This way you will have a problem that the group behavior can become very negative also. Yes or no? So try to convince you. Say, can I speak? Please allow me. I'll continue. And when you give, after that, if they allow you, then don't try to tell your plan only. Try, as you have discussed, try to include maximum point of others and make the plan very good. You can take a little time. Suppose you are giving conclusion, take a little time. Thodi der ruk lo. Okay. Sir, our group wanted that we start with the group task number 1. We're going to do this. We're going to do this. The group also wanted this to be done. And this also was a very good idea which we wanted, and we can do this. Now, coming to the task number 2, sir, we're going to do this. The group added this point. Plus this point also is very good. We can add it up. And then we will come down to 3rd, 4th, 5th, and this way we'll end. You can do that. Is it clear? So you including the points, and not only group, your point also a group decision is. But while your group decision is something which you're telling as a group decision, there should be elements of group contribution. Yes or no? So if you will do that, then what will happen? The group discussion will be taken that you have a very sensible mind. आप में एक समझदारी है, एक बुद्धिमानी है, आप सबके चीजों को ले में लेके साथ में चलते हैं. जिनके पास पहचान की कमी होती है, people who do not have a confident personality, they tend to force their way. They ignore others, and when they get the opportunity to lead, they lead by their choice. They don't think of others. How about thinking for others also? Because that will become a complete leader, a good officer. Clear? So this is something. Now you have not spoken, others have spoken. If they have spoken and they have given the conclusion, while they are giving the conclusion, don't make faces. Seriously listen. Okay, what is he saying? Okay, this, yeah, good, this good. And if the points are good, you keep nodding. Yes or no? Keep enjoying. If there are some objections, you just keep that in mind. Some major ignorance, छोटे मोटे बदलाव के लिए नहीं, कोई बड़ी चीज अगर वो बताना भूल गया, क्योंकि बाद में ऑफिसर आपसे पूछेगा, any objection? कई लोग सोचते हैं, sir, we are not going to object because it is a group discussion. No, if he has majorly forgotten something, then you should say, sir, sorry sir, but this main point we can, sir, sorry sir, we wanted to add, and don't add with insulting language. उसकी insult नहीं करनी है कि सर ये गधा है, बोल नहीं पाया, this person could not say. No, you say, sir, it's a good plan, but in addition, our group wanted this can be added, it will make a better plan. That's all. So you should be enhancing, not critical. But for being enhancing also, you'll have to be sharp in observation and you'll have to be genuine in contribution. If somebody has used a glass and you say, sir, this is wrong, our group wanted we use a bucket, now this is a very silly point. Yes or no? So there should be a major point if you add. Yes or no? But you can add an objection, but objection should be sensible. Now comes your objection. Suppose you have given the discussion and somebody has objected to it. Yes or no? They have objected to you. So they have said that this is, so don't look irritated in your face. You should be mature to understand group discussion means people may oppose you. Is it clear? It's not this that you will take out a revolver and say, okay, you said this, take this. No, you're not supposed to do that. ये थोड़ी ना करना है. आपकी आंखों में भी गुस्सा नहीं दिखना चाहिए. जो बोल रहा है अच्छा पॉइंट है तो बोलना चाहिए हाँ, yes, could have been added. You know, that shows that you're accommodative, flexible, dynamic, improving. Clear? Yes or no? Do that. So that is conclusion method which I wanted to explain you. Then objection situation also I have explained you. When people object or you have to raise, I have explained you that. Now 5 important exercise for group planning. Very important rule is 1, priority rule. Priority must be given to saving life as it is common, sensical, everybody understands. Second, priority to saving public property or personal property. Now there is a farmer or there is a person who depends on milk and his cow is drowning. So what will you do in that case? You have to save the cow, yes or no? Because that is a living. So personal property, public property like some place is burning, school is burning, that doesn't mean okay, thank you, holidays, time, guys, we're gonna rock, the school is burning, so holiday. No, you should rush and try to control. Is it clear? सुधारना है. Third, to resolve conflicts. छोटी मोटी लड़ाई अगर शुरू में ही खत्म हो जाए तो दंगे नहीं होंगे. There will be no fights. Clear, not clear? So you can do that. To help people in difficulty. Somebody is in difficulty, you are going in a highway and you find somebody standing there. Ignore, no, this is not good time. People can deceive you. Don't have this. Armed forces people do not feel so. Yes or no? So you should help people in difficulty. That is how society is made. And last, to keep time deadline to given finished task. You should complete time. Sir, itni to der ho hi jayegi. We will get some little late. You don't have to say that. You have to try to manage it within that time. Since you are imagining, since you are planning, believe me, they also have given you tasks which can be possible in that time. Is it clear? Understood, not understood? So this is something which you have to remember. Now we come down to resource generation rule. I want to tell you something. Your wisdom is the skull, and brain inside the skull is a beauty. Is the most beautiful part of your body. It gives you life. If you're brain dead, you are dead medically. But if your brain runs, thinks beautifully, then let it think. And what is beauty? Beauty is appreciation. What do you like most beautiful? You like mother most, right? Most beautiful person on your earth, maybe. Why? Why? Because your need is also fulfilled by her. She caters to your emotion also. Yes or no? So that is why. Similarly, we believe in resource generation. Always think the beauty is generating resources. The beauty is thinking. And when you will be positive, you will be able to identify. You will be able to group up. You will be able to collect and complete. That is called resource generation. Is it clear? Next, we have coordination rule. While you're doing anything, there should be a person who's in the coordinating position. Because when you're doing 2, 3, 4 things, then you'll have to coordinate. Yes or no? Yes or no? Am I right? So when you coordinate, because coordination gets everything done. Sometimes if you don't coordinate, what will happen? एक उधर भाग रहा है, एक उधर भाग रहा है, एक जन तो होना चाहिए. So coordination rule you should keep so that group can function smoothly. In our armed forces, there is a person. There's a post of responsibility called the adjutant. Adjutant is one person who's located in a unit or in any kind of headquarters who's doing the major job of coordinating with all. And this is very important. Why did we create this Combined Defense Services Committee for coordination? It was earlier under the subjugation of Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. Of course, not the Supreme Commander-in-Chief, there was a system. But due to political reason, the system was broken up. So there was no coordination. Particularly during Kargil, it was found that Air Force was doing some other thing, Navy was doing something, Army is doing something. They realized if they don't have a coordinating unit, it will be utter chaos. So therefore, they created the CDS post. So the coordinating person should be there. This is my belief, and you will learn it from the other thing. How to write solution? Write passage by passage. There can be other way also. I'll teach you that also. But if you write passage by passage, keeping in mind, be alert. Write one passage, one task. We'll do this by this task. We'll do this by this distance. We can cover up, and this we'll do it. Suppose that task is also long, and you have some other thing also, and by the time, by 1 hour or so. Now, second, you can write in the second passage. As we begin that task, we will also begin this task parallelly by 2 people going there. We'll do this, they will do this, they will do this. Now, that does not mean that in one task, in one paragraph only, you've written so much that it is confusing the reader. कई बार आप लोग अपनी अच्छी सोच के बावजूद बाहर क्यों जाते हो? Because you write so much in one place that it confuses a person. And when he or she, whoever is reading it, is confused, they will call you confused. So you should write clearly in paragraph to paragraph. This is something which I advise. However, no member, yes, one few points important is no member should go single. Don't send somebody single. If you send single, what will happen? If he is lost, then another work is extra. So if you send somebody, even if for a messenger role, send somebody local or send 2 people at least. So there will be a buffer zone for all of you. Is it clear? Then you may send with village people or anything. Note as a rule, there will be 4 to 5 problems. Remember, they will only give you 4 to 5 problems. In one would be serious, second may have serious repercussion. The other 2 may be serious but not life-threatening. Remember this. One will be very serious. One may have serious implication. एक में लग रहा है कि अभी गया, one person is dying, and in the next one it is that he has an injury, serious injury. He is not dying, but he may die. Number 1, yes or no? And in the third and fourth, they will have maybe serious but not life-threatening. They will be serious that there is this problem, that problem. Is it clear? So उनका rule है. अब वो ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि testing you, they will add 10 to 15 of them. There are many books and many YouTube things. I'm finding people trying to glamorize themselves are unnecessarily creating problems which are out of the world, having multiple problems to the extent that the student is trying to be a superman or trying to be very deliberate. Don't do this. Actually, the officer wants to see how you can practically solve. So he'll never give you a situation where there will be 7, 8, 9, 10 problems. Is it clear? He'll only give what is possible. Clear? You may divide your plan into phases, first covering the 3 important ones, in the second covering the 4th. Anyway, the task given and the priority of the railway line sabotage, hiding miscreant, accident on the highway, drowning buffalo man injured in the leg. Now you see there are 4 tasks given. So how will you hide? Which will be your first priority? Of course railway line, because एक बार accident हो गया तो फिर झंझट हो जाएगा, because it's got huge implication. Yes or no? But along with it, accident on the highway is also important. So now here, in spite of the rule, you will learn that your wisdom says parallel priority. Yes or no? Understood, not understood? Parallel priority means आपकी बुद्धि कह रही कि दोनों, इधर 2 जन भेज देते, इधर 2-3 भेज दे, right? Do it. There is no rule that I said it, so you've got to do that. You have to apply your brain to make changes, but use common sense, use logic, use thinking, use care for others as your mindset. Clear? जिम्मेदारी दिखाओ, समझदारी दिखाओ, सबकी परवाह दिखाओ. Be bothered for others. Clear? Then you have drowning buffalo. This is the 3rd. And the man injured in the leg is a general thing. Yes, it's a problem. We will help. But generally we can do it in the last. Am I right? Yes or no? And the very last, returning back. Clear? That is it. So, the time factor, the deadline to return, you have to remember. What have you to remember? कितने बजे लौटना है याद रखना है. ट्रेन अराइवल कितने बजे होगा याद रखना है. Because then, but you don't have to do it just before the train comes. Though you know train may come say 4 hours from now, but since the implication is more, you will have to make advance readiness for the same. Yes or no? So you will have a train arrival system there that you will send somebody. Then time of accident, the highway accident, immediately, act immediately, as soon as possible. The time of buffalo's drowning, you have to remember, and the time of person's injury. अगर ये ध्यान रखोगे तो अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, आपको 4 प्रॉब्लम दिखाया, 4 या 5, एंड वी आर आस्किंग यू कि क्या पहले, क्या दूसरा, क्या तीसरा. I am showing you 4 to 5 problems. I am telling you what will be first, second. So do you understand the logic? Do you understand the common sense? Is it out of the world or is it earthly? It is practical. Tell me, come on, tell me. It is practical. That's exactly what I'm saying. It is practical. Now time factor you have to remember in your mind of mind. यार ये टाइम पे ये करना तो you have to do it early. अब ये वाला जो टाइम फैक्टर है, the train arrival. Here क्योंकि एक्सीडेंट की बात है, so we don't have to say that, okay, the train will arrive at 3 o'clock, so we will rush to solve the problem at 2 o'clock. No, because in that case, we will have to do much in advance, as much as we can. Yes or no? So that is it. Clear? Then we come down to available possible resources. You have to remember this in your mind. अपने मन में याद रखना है. कितने लोग हो? We are a group of 10 students. Yes? We have a jeep with us. याद रखो. The gun we have in camp, it is available. Yes or no? Then rope in a tent for buffalo, it is there to pull out the buffalo. The first aid kit is available because we were there in the tent. To first aid kit bhi hai. The manned railway crossing is possible. Yes or no? वहां पे manned railway crossing है तो कौन मिलेगा वहां पे? There will be a man. There will be a railway person doing the duty. Yes or no? So presence of mind दिखाएगा ना. नहीं तो आप हड़बड़ाहट. Now people who are not calm, who are not cool, they will forget manned railway crossing means unmanned railway crossing. कोई है ही नहीं. Oh, अरे भैया आराम से पढ़ो. Now you see there is a person, so you can utilize it. एंड मैन्ड रेलवे क्रॉसिंग इज अ वेरी गुड रिसोर्स. वहां से वो जो आदमी है वो खुद ही ट्रेन रोक देगा. Yes or no? So you can do that. But do you believe in a good planner does not believe in one resource. He believes in multiple solutions. When you make a building, you just don't make bricks together. You not only do brick together, but you plaster it and later with other cement also plaster it. Yes or no? क्यों भाई समझ में आ रहा है? तो यही करना है आपको. रेलवे स्टेशन पॉसिबल, द पुलिस स्टेशन इज देयर, उसका भी बहुत अच्छा रिसोर्स है. रेलवे स्टेशन इज ऑल्सो गुड रिसोर्स क्योंकि रेलवे स्टेशन खुद ट्रेन को रोक सकता है. द पीएचसी दैट इज प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर मेडिकल, दैट ऑल्सो इज वेरी गुड. तो उसमें भी कोई ना कोई मिल जाएगा, डॉक्टर मिल जाएगा. तो उससे क्या होगा? वी कैन सॉल्व द एक्सीडेंट पर्सन, वी कैन हेल्प हिम. यस और नो? एनीबडी injured, we can help him. The person who's fractured also, we can take him there. Yes, no? Okay, the people of the village. Now this is hidden resources. Traffic on highway, yes, possible. But hidden is like village below, so they will help you. If you are a good person by heart, you know how to request, you are understanding, you are socialistic in your nature, you will expect that people will help. And they generally do. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's look at this. This group planning exercise 1. You're going to learn from this example. You are a group of 10 students who are pursuing botanical study in Palampur and have arrived to Naukhera guest house. Now you are studying in Palampur, you have come to this guest house. And at 6 a.m. as you were all prepared to leave for the first Jariyan, you should read the book. It's there in the book. You should understand it from the book itself so that you can read it proper and understand it. Then, which was on the way to reach out, a man came on bicycle to inform from Naukhera that fire has engulfed many houses. Now there is a problem. What are the problems? One, that you were moving wire to which was on the way, there is a fire. Number one problem. Before you all could decide what to do, a man came from the boat area, profusely bleeding due to head injury, informed that he was carrying few people. He heard they have stolen a precious statue. Somebody has done some precious statue from the temple and also injured the priest. So now what is one problem? Fire, injured priest, stolen statue. Okay? Yes or no? Then and have escaped with another boat. The group is divided. They also plan to blow the railway track at Bindi Chowk to kill the CM. Now another 4 problems, seniors. Yes or no? High serious. Now look at this. If you think, now please pay attention. If you think it's solving one by one, but priority is also there in between. So automatically you will have to take out the thing from underneath. Okay, this priority also and this priority also. So you have to think. Your mind has to pick out whether it is kept under the blanket or over the blanket. It doesn't make a difference. Yes or no? आपकी एक प्राथमिकता वाली चीज चाहे नीचे हो चाहे ऊपर हो समझ में आनी चाहिए. Yes or no? तो चीफ मिनिस्टर को उड़ाने का ये भी एक प्राथमिकता है. अदर एक बॉम्ब उड़ाना चाहता है सोशल गैदरिंग साइड में, लो एक और झंझट है. Yes or no? तो हमारे पास इतने सब काम है हमें करने, हाँ या ना. Okay, so what are we going to do? Solution शुरू हुआ. Number 1, challenges, terror threat. पहले अपने मन में सोचो क्या क्या बवाल है. What are the objectives? 1, terror threat to CM life. Yes or no? मन में क्लियर हो गया कि हमें करना है. पहले तो ग्रुप ये पैसेज से अपनी समस्याएं निकालनी के करना है. करना क्या क्या है. What all we have to do. Now here also we are looking at the intelligence, the reasoning ability, the sharpness, the confidence to observe and pick. सबसे बड़ी problem many people have that they don't identify what all has to be done also. Got it, not got it? नहीं आया समझ. They are not able to identify that only. So you have to understand that. So what are the things? Terror threat to CM's life, Chief Minister. Bomb threat at social gathering site. Statue theft, उसको cover करना. fire incident in Nokhera village, right? Injured man from ferry side. So now in the solution we said last one is return at Palampur. Everything can be identified. Have you understood? So what have you done? You've read the précis, identified what are the different objectives before you go for the solution. It is stage one to remember. Now, in your mind, you have to remember what are the resources and capabilities. What are the resources? One van is there at guest house. Already you had come with that same van. दिया था ना कि एक वैन से हम लोग गेस्ट हाउस से आए. नेक्स्ट वी आर 10 स्टूडेंट, तो 10 लोग भी तो हो गए व्यक्ति शक्ति. Nearest police or security help is at Fatehpur city station. Yes or no? Yes. So, just a second. Now, so one van at guest house is there. Okay. Then we are 10 students. That is also understood. Then nearest police or security help is at Fatehpur city. So we are having that police help also there. Guest house is also centrally located. There are many things there. Odd time of action. Now we have to divide. Time हमें शुरू करना है कब से? शुरू से. Why? Because we came to know everything at 6:10 a.m. So that is also the time of action. We have to divide the group into 4. Now what is group of A which we create? 4 members. We are writing that. ये क्या कर रहा है? Which is of 4 members and van will neutralize terror threat at Bindi Chowk and Fatehpur city to save CM and the public from bomb blast. Will depart from guest house at 6:10 without delay, because 6:10 they got the information. They will do immediately act. Reach Bindi Chowki. Now jaldi karna hai. We have to show urgency. We have to show understanding that important cars में हम लोग delay नहीं करते. Will inform railway station master and authorities to stop CM's train also. उनको after telling them of the navigation, will proceed to Fatehpur city, which is 7 kilometers ahead. वहाँ पे फटाफट रास्ते में बताते हुए जा रहा है कहाँ पहुँच गया? फतेहपुर सिटी, जहाँ पे होना है. And alert local police, event organizers, ताकि bomb threat possibility is cleared, and then they will return by the later time. Now this is wrongly written. About 12 p.m. पहुंच जाएंगे and return by 12:30 p.m. Is it clear? This is a small mistake. Take it easy. Now we've got another group B. Now group A is already gone. Group B, which is of 3 members, will help the fire victims at Nokhera. There is a fire situation. They would be moving by foot or bike to Nokhera village, which is around 1 kilometer. Now they are using that bike also. So you have an idea that within 10 minutes, इतना तो सबको मालूम है, बाइक से जाओगे तो 10 मिनट में पहुंच जाओगे. Yes or no? So in 10 minutes they will be there. They will help in evacuating first aid and extinguishing fire. They will also coordinate with local authorities and call fire brigade. क्योंकि भाई शुरुआत में मदद कर रहा है. See, whenever you go there, you are not denying that you will call the fire brigade, but first you got to go there, see the situation, help a little, organize a little, and then you can call fire brigade. There are some people who, given a task, immediately call the big authorities. This is a wrong approach. This shows that you are not having the basic common sense and logic and positive approach to control before you cry for help. आप हर दिक्कत में अगर दूसरे को बुलाते हो, ये कमजोरी आपकी दिखाता है. If you call for help to others first before doing anything, it will show weakness of yours. So first make an effort, 1-2 more efforts, and thereafter call the authorities, no problem. Got it? Now group C, which is of 2 members. Now we have divided the members as per our need. Yes or no? What was group A having? 4 members, because it was an important emergency. Second group was having 3 members, 7 members. Yes or no? Now we are having group C, 2 members, 9 members, 10 there. Will visit temple and support injured priest as they would be walking to temple. via jungle Jhariyan. They would have to walk 1.5 kilometer. Time duration they have taken in the jungle area 20 minutes, and can be assumed to thus reach by 6:40, up maximum 30 minutes. Where they will check priest condition and arrange help. They will not only secure location but also alert authorities about stolen. Now since they have already given first aid, they will also help. This after doing the needful. Guest house 8:20 तक आ जाएंगे. क्यों आना है? Because they have to go back also, right? So now they along with can do the needful, और वहां पे जो भी जरूरत है वो भी करेंगे और फिर बाद में लौट जाएंगे. Is it clear? Now what is group D? एक मेंबर है, राइट? इंपॉर्टेंट है? हाँ है. कोऑर्डिनेटर है. Which is of the left member who will attend the injured man at ferry side. ये वहीं पे रहेगा, जो चोट लगा है उसकी मदद करेगा. Get the man to guest house for first aid. Help him to relax and regain stability. Keep under observation. जरूरत पड़ेगा inform authorities to ship to hospital. The last member will stay at guest house to coordinate in case group A, B, C requires further help. अब ये गया, उसको दिक्कत है तो पुलिस और चाहिए तो he will call. You're getting the point. So this way you can decide, and this is one of the most logical way. But for this you will have to use your common sense and practice again and again. So automatically what will happen? You will get into the habit of writing it. And in practical life also, you will get into the habit of functioning like it. एक कोऑर्डिनेटर बना लोगे, ग्रुप ए बनाओगे, ग्रुप बी बनाओगे, ग्रुप सी. काम के हिसाब से there is no reason that group A has to be 4, group B has to be 3, group C has to be 2. No, it can be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 also. Yes or no? Understood, not understood? There may be 4 tasks, maybe maximum 5 tasks also. Clear? Maybe that in some tasks you may require 5 people. So 5 have gone, 2 is here, then 1 is going. Yes or no? But we have said one can stay back as a coordinator. ये भी ध्यान दो, क्योंकि आप में से कोई बोलेगा सर आपने बोला था एक अकेला मत भेजो. अरे भेज नहीं रहे, वो तो वहीं पे है. Yes or no? So if he is sitting in one major point doing some activity, helping someone, but along with it, जो अब मान लीजिए आप घर में हो, you are in the house and your father has gone some direction, mother has gone some direction, and brother has gone some direction, but you are there, but you are in central location. You already have other resources nearby. Use them and solve. Similarly, the coordinating person has this. Clear? Yes or no? All group members should carry phones, notebook, first aid kits so that they can be touched. Now, in the practical today time, agreed, when I had given my SLB way back in 89-90, there was a different situation. But in your situation, there are different. Now we have mobiles. We have certain assets which we can use every time. You should use it. No issues. Clear? If the officer says no, then in that case you will have to use your brain of help. And you will not have to have a dependency on mobile. Clear? Next, all group members will reassemble at guest house by 12 p.m. And after updating from group about the result, depart. Now this is the last conclusion part. Now that you've done all, you can think of going back in time also. क्योंकि ये भी एक ऑब्जेक्टिव है. आप जिंदगी में कोई भी इमरजेंसी करते हो, उसके बावजूद इमरजेंसी के बाद आपको घर भी पहुंचना है, कोई काम और भी करना है. You have to complete the emergency and do something else. Yes, no. So that's exactly what they want. Now, time and distance factor. Though I am teaching you this, but I generally believe that this should be in your back of the mind. इतना तो कॉमन सेंस सबको होना चाहिए. कभी भी साइकिल में 1 किलोमीटर कितनी देर लगता है? कितनी देर लगता है? करीब करीब 5 मिनट. यस और नो? 5-6 मिनट. और अगर अच्छी रोड है तो वो तो भी 4-5 मिनट लगेगा, राइट? और खराब रोड है तो 7-8 मिनट लगेंगे. यस और नो? बट पहुंच जाओगे, 1 किलोमीटर आराम से कवर कर लो. यस और नो? कार में थोड़ा थोड़ा और तेज हो जाएगा, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा, क्योंकि यू कैन नॉट रन वेरी फास्ट इन बैड रोड्स. और क्विक रोड में कार विल बी वेरी फास्ट, विद इन 2 minutes 2.5 minutes विल कवर 1 kilometer. yes or no? सो एवरीथिंग इज डिपेंडेंट. अब हाईवे में चल रही है तो कार की अलग ही स्पीड होती है. सो इतनी कॉमन सेंस अपनी जागृत रखो. एंड यू डोंट हैव टू क्वेश्चन एवरीथिंग, यू हैव टू एज्यूम थिंग्स ऑल्सो. हर चीज पूछनी नहीं, सर बट दिस बट दैट. नाउ दैट शोज एन इरिटेटिंग एंड वेरी पुअर ऑब्जर्वेशनिस्ट पर्सन. यस और नो? थोड़ी गाइडलाइंस दे दी उन्होंने, उसको ध्यान से सुनो. वैसे जितनी गाइडलाइन दी होगी उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लो अपने थॉट प्रोसेस, बट डोंट कीप इरिटेटिंग अदर्स. तो नॉक करे 1 किलोमीटर अवे, फेरी साइड कितना, इतनी देर, 8 minute वॉक हो जाएगा. टेम्पल, ये शुरुआत में लिखने के लिए आप लिख सकते हो, बट वाइल राइटिंग सोल्यूशन यू कैन यूज दिस फैक्टर, राइट इट देयर ओनली. Since the distance is this, I think we'll be able to cover up, so we'll do this, we'll do that. Yes or no? But to explain you, I have written it separately, ताकि आपको डिस्टेंसेस समझ में आ जाए. क्लियर? यस और नो? अपने माइंड को लॉजिकल और फेंटाबुलस बनाओ, इमेजिनेटिवली बनाओ. अगर मैं उधर गया तो इतनी देर लगी, तो इतनी देर में. जैसे कई बार you have your friends and you have certain work and you say with your friend you go there, by the time मैं ये काम करके आ जाता हूँ, तो you assume something ना, कितनी देर लगेगा जाने में, कितनी देर लगेगा आने में, कितनी देर लगेगा काम करने में. You assume, don't you? Yes or no? That's exactly what they want. Take clear? Should we try one more? Yes or no? So group planning exercise 2. Again, it's given in the book, so please read it and utilize. I'm explaining you. Try to understand from that why I'm doing it. I'll give you more GPs also, so that by the end of 20 GPs, your mind will start functioning fast. Armed forces is not saying that you should not learn. If you are well learned and if you are picking up the logic, it is a favor to the nation that you will be more logical. And then you can utilize training more better. Yes or no? So remember, you are 10 friends who have come to Orni to attend the marriage of your friend's brother. You reach the banquet hall at 2 p.m. Suddenly the Sarpanch came and informed you that all his daughter has eloped with a village boy. Now one issue ki village boy ke saath bhag gayi. Ab iska, now some people will start using their, then why should I say, no, it's okay, it's eloped, so we'll call her back and then get the things done properly. We are not saying that you are going to be saying that, okay, the girl has a right. Of course she has a right. But since somebody has come, we are not going allowing the Sarpanch to thereafter do some crime. Yes or no? But we'll help. Okay, normal situation. While you all were planning what to do, you came to know that some dacoits have stolen a precious statue. Now dacoit have stolen. और priest को भी चोट लग गई है. Then they are demanding safe passage to the, and they are rushing toward the helipad. They are expecting to get from वहां से बाहर चले जाए. Foreign smugglers है arriving, वो भी आ रहे हैं. You have to attend the marriage also. Marriage करने आए, आप क्या करोगे? आप लोग इतने दोस्त हो, मैरिज अटेंड करने आए, पर ये समस्या आ गई. राइट? यस और नो? अब हम लोग इसको फिर मन में सॉल्व करते हैं. हमारे पास क्या क्या है, चैलेंजेस क्या क्या है. पहली चैलेंज, होस्टेज रेस्क्यू एंड डेकॉइट्स टू कैच एट हेलीपैड. एक होस्टेज को भी तो वो लोग ले गए है ना अपने साथ, उसको बचाना है. डेकॉइट्स को पकड़ना है हेलीपैड में. स्टोलन स्टैचू भी लेनी है. आफ्टर इंजरिंग द पेस्ट ऑल्सो टेकन होस्टेज फ्रॉम रबुई टाउन are planning. So we are going to be there. Yes or no? One thing. Second, prevent statue smuggling and secure priest. उसको भी बचा के लाना है. Second point. Third point, Sarpan daughter is eloped and heading towards Orni station via Orni forest. उसको भी बचाना है. And last, attend wedding which is at 5 p.m. Is it clear? Yes or no? So you have to learn this. Any doubts? Clear, not clear? Okay. We are 10 friends, resource and capabilities. ठीक है? We are 10 friends, nearest police or security help at Rabi town. तो कौन कौन है? 10 फ्रेंड है. पुलिस सिक्योरिटी टाउन कहाँ पे है? रबी टाउन पे है. ओरनी स्टेशन है, हेलीपैड कितनी दूर है? 2 किलोमीटर दूर है. Guests are there and सरपंच etc. vehicles and will be there. Yes or no? वो आपको दिखाना है. बैंकेट हॉल कहाँ है? वेल लोकेटेड सेंट्रल में है. हाँ या ना? देन टाइम ऑफ एक्शन 2 बजे. 2 बजे शुरू हुआ क्योंकि उसी टाइम बताया गया. तो अब आपको क्लियर हुआ. अब आपकी थिंकिंग प्रोसेस क्लियर हो रही है कि व्हेन यू गेट अ ग्रुप यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई क्या क्या करना है. देन यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई क्या क्या मेरे पास है. You have to identify what is to be done, so you keep a mental image what all to be done. You have to identify what are the resources. Yes, okay. Then what will you do? Now you start again the group. Start creating group one by one task. Group A, which is of 4 members and man, begin immediately at 2 p.m. by first intercepting and preventing dacoits from reaching helipad to rescue. Informing local authorities, people collected, unki bhi madad. There is no reason that you should not take help of others. Yes or no? Because more the people, more better risky things will become less risky and much better. Is it clear? Don't try to show that you are a Superman, a special army man in action and doing it. Yes or no? So don't do that. Thus collectively secure by surrounding, reaching helipad by maximum, and thereafter return and reach banquet hall. ठीक है? So this job समझ में आ रहा है? एक काम कर रहा है और वो पूरा कर रहा है. इधर जाएगा, उधर जाएगा, इधर करेगा. One person is doing the whole plan. Yes? No? Group B, 2 members will depart immediately to reach by 2:20 p.m. Give first aid to the injured priest जिसको चोट लगी. Gather information and dacoits पता लगाएगा. Inform police. कोऑर्डिनेट हेल्प. और क्या करेगा? और उनके साथ लौट के आएगा. राइट? ओके. ग्रुप सी क्या करेगा? 3 मेंबर्स का है, विच विल डिपार्ट एट 2 p.m. टुवर्ड्स ओरनी स्टेशन. ये लोग जंगल होते हुए जाएंगे टू सर्च द ट्रेल, फाइंड आउट, इंटरसेप्ट, कामली कन्विंस देम. जब मिल जाए तो लोग को कन्विंस करेगा. हेल्प इन मीडिएशन विद सरपंच. पॉजिटिविटी की बात है कि सॉल्व करेगा. ये थोड़े न लो सरपंच मारो इसको. That is not what they are looking for. We are looking for some genuine help and bring them back to join. इसके बाद जब वापस आ जाएंगे, left 1 member मैंने आपको बताया था. Mostly we should leave for coordination. We will stay at the banquet to coordinate and communicate between the 3 groups A, B, and also with the authority, villages with medical or logistic help. Clear? Now with 2 situations कुछ अकल जागी. Were you able to understand how it can be easily done? You know, I was always asking people, and I ask you the same. Again, this is a repeat question. I've asked you before, can you eat an elephant? Yes, we can eat an elephant. But we'll have to cut the elephant into pieces. Provided we are non-vegetarian, of course. But we can have to cut down. If we will not cut down into pieces, we will not be able to consume. Similarly, any big project can be completed, but in bits and pieces. Clear? So now group D has done this. Then what else? Caution. All will carry phone. We have generally this. We will always tell everybody, yes, you just have to wake up. It's not because you are the smartest. You're thinking like a team. Check, boys, do you have everything? Check this. Right? It is to care. Your father, when you go for exam, what does he do? He asks you have a pen? You got the admit card? You got everything? You have some money in case you need? Yes or no? Is it because he doesn't think you are grown up? No, it is because he is cross-checking so that you don't fall into trouble. Clear? That's it. So all will reassemble and then you can write. Okay? Next, there is time and distance factor. I always said that you don't have to write time and distance factor, but if you want, you can write it separately as a column to remember. But for you, you should have it in your mind. दिमाग में होना चाहिए ताकि आप सॉल्व करते समय प्रैक्टिकल लगे. If you while solving, you look practical. Map 10 centimeter वो दिया हुआ है 1 kilometer. Orni station is 1.5 kilometer. So is it 20 to 25? कई बार they give you only a map. And they give you a certain scaling. So by assumption, you can pick up. This is approximately 1 kilometer. This should be approximately 3. This should be 5. Yes or no? by that centimeter mark. Then 30-minute walk, and then you can come down to helipad. Any problem getting it? Yes or no? Please use that book. SLB Master Notes is going to help you wonders. We have taken a lot of research, thanks to all the officers, and we have also used all our experiences and knowledge to compile it. Now we are going to create subsections, so subsections will help you to become more stronger in it. Because most of the heavy books, generally if you don't study, it will be a waste. But you should study. Every chapter is well divided, and if you study it again and again, you will learn everything and you will become a masterpiece yourself. अगर आपकी जिंदगी में भी कोई दिक्कत आएगी तो आपके पास एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड सोच होगी, परिभाषित प्रणाली, जिससे आप हमेशा हर समस्या का निदान कर पाएंगे. You will be able to solve it. Clear? So do that. Now we come down to group number 3. We are solving it one more. Now in this you are a group of friends of 10 in number, again, who are students at an archaeological college who have come over to an excavation site for collecting information for a project. ये बुक का डायग्राम सब कुछ इससे समझ में आएगा. वो समझाते हैं पर साथ साथ में आपको ध्यान से सुनना पड़ता है. You getting the point? ताकि एक एक चीज समझ में आए, डिस्टेंस समझ में आए. There are some people who are high class duffers who do not understand what is being said. They keep blinking their eyes like a tube light as if they have not understood and they really do not understand. This is unfortunate. This speaks that you have very poor focus. If you are an intelligent person, that goes to girls, boys, everyone, if you are an intelligent person, you will always have proper focus. And you will be able to understand. And if you are a confident person, if you are a confident person, you will also, what you pick, you will use it. But if you are scared, am I right, wrong, then you will be having problem. Clear? Understood, not understood? Okay, so I have come over. As you reach the guest house and park your van at 6 a.m. in the morning towards Savai Man, actually you met a man who informed you have mixed poison in the pond. Now one problem, poison in the pond, so anybody can have it, which is dangerous for the cattle because cattle will start coming around 8 a.m. So now before 8 a.m. you have to control that, yes or no? But we have also to create an alternative source also for water. नहीं cattle थोड़ी ना बैठी रह जाएगी. Am I right? Next, you all decided, but as you came out of the guest house, told you dacoits are hiding at an excavation site. खुदाई वाली जगह and are stealing precious stones and seals from there. वो भी तुम्हें पता चलता है. You also come to know that some people are planning to blow the bridge. एक bridge है पास में, उसको उड़ाने के मूड में 8:30 बजे. The train has already left, so you have to do everything fast. So you are given 2, 3, 4 tasks. Yes or no? What are the different tasks? Let's identify. Let's identify the objectives. Number 1, prevent bridge blast, because if it happens, the train will go away. Yes or no? Number 2, stop dacoits. Number 3, stop cattle from drinking. Number 4, you have come here for what? Making a report at Patarpur. Yes or no? So that also you have to do. You cannot do this that sir, there was emergency, so we did not create a report. You have to keep that time in mind. Yes or no? आपको ध्यान रखना होगा कि मुझे ये काम इतने समय तक खत्म करना है. जो लोग सोचते नहीं इतने सारे काम एक साथ नहीं हो सकते. दिमाग को साफ रखिए. आप लोग 10 लोग भी तो हैं. वर्क को डेलीगेट करिए. सिर्फ सुपरमैन, शक्तिमान, स्पाइडरमैन, बैटमैन की परिकल्पना मत करिए. डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. थिंक लाइक अ टीम मेंबर. हाउ यू डिवाइड योर वर्क. ओके. व्हाट आर द रिसोर्सेज, हिडन रिसोर्सेज एंड अदर्स. वन वैन है. वी आर 10 फ्रेंड्स हैं. नियरेस्ट पुलिस सिक्योरिटी हेल्प भी है. गेस्ट हाउस भी सेंट्रली लोकेटेड है. यस और नो? फिर टाइम ऑफ एक्शन क्या है? 6 बजे, क्योंकि 6 बजे आपको खबर मिली. और आप लोग कितने लोग हो? 10 लोग. अब क्या हो सकता है? फिर 4 ग्रुप में डिवाइड हो जाओगे. पहला ग्रुप ने क्या किया? 4 members and van will move immediately to at 6 a.m. to Savai Man Bridge via Puran City. पुलिस स्टेशन बोलेंगे कि रोको ब्लास्ट को. to prevent the blast along with informing railway authorities. रेलवे अथॉरिटी को बुलाया, पुलिस को बताया तो रुक तो जाएगी, जगह रुक जाएगी. यस और नो? ट्रेन तो रुकी जाएगी, तो कम से कम ब्लास्ट होगा तो ट्रेन ही उड़े, रेल उड़ेगी, बाकी कुछ नहीं उड़ेगा, रेल की पटरी उड़ेगी. यस और नो? और हो सकता है अगर टाइम से पहुंच जाए तो वो भी रोक ले. टेक कॉशन एंड रिटर्न ऑल्सो अबाउट फ्रॉम लोकल पीपल. क्लियर? काम एक बार हो गया या शुरू हो गया या उसको रूप मिल गया तो यू कैन रिटर्न. ग्रुप बी, which is of 3 members, will come immediately at 6 a.m. to Savai Mansingh excavation site to the adjacent to the guest house. Use phone to call archaeological department and police secure the artifact. जो चीज गायब है, अब क्योंकि माल गायब हो रहा, कौन सा स्टैचू, सील्स, तो किसको दोगे? आर्कियोलॉजिकल वालों को ही कॉल करोगे. And then you will call them. Now you are multiplying the resources. You are informing the police, so they are also coming to help you. Yes or no? Okay, next. ग्रुप सी क्या करेगा? ये 2 मेंबर का है. दे विल इमीडिएटली मूव टू पॉन्ड नियर सवाई मॉन. अब देखो, ध्यान दिया, ऑल 3 आर वर्किंग ऑन पैरेलल प्रायोरिटी. एक उस समय 6 बजे जा रहा है, दूसरा ग्रुप भी उस समय 6 बजे जा रहा है, तीसरा भी जा रहा है. यस और नो? सो ये थोड़े ना कि एक आएगा तब दूसरा जाएगा. नियर एंड रीच एज सून एंड वार्न विलेजेस एंड कैटल, पुट अलर्ट साइन, अ फ्लैग एंड स्प्रेड न्यूज. विलेजर्स को लगाएगा ताकि सब लोग जान जाए. अलर्ट अथॉरिटीज और उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेगा बाय करेक्टिव एक्शन. हाँ, करेक्टिव एक्शन कैन बी पुलिंग आउट और फिल्टरिंग द वाटर, वॉट एवर दे विल डू. यस और नो? एंड नो वन, यू ऑल्सो गेट न्यूज रिसोर्सेस. हो सकता है वाटर टैंक का इंतजाम कर दे कहीं और से ताकि पानी की जुगाड़ हो जाए, ऑल्टरनेटिव, और फिर सॉल्व करें. नाउ सी, देयर विल बी नो परफेक्ट सोल्यूशन, but our effort to getting towards the solution and facilitating a solution is very important. Clear? Now group D, which is of the left member, will stay at guest house, compile data from all team to prepare archaeological group, and as soon group members arrive back, compile final report and depart to reach timely and submit report at Palam. समझ में आया नहीं आया? ये क्या करेगा? ये फिर ये काम कर रहा है रिपोर्ट का. हाँ या ना? Okay, next. All group members should carry phones, notebook. ये तो journal precaution आपको बोलना ही चाहिए. Conclusion, all group members will reassemble at guest house. अब काम हो गया तो they will come down and after updating from group A, B, C about the result of botanical visit, depart for Patharpur and to reach Palampur on time schedule पहुंच जाएंगे. When we assume working, we should assume that we can fulfill it in the time. Yes or no? And if we are not able to do it, we should learn where are we doing the shortcoming. कहाँ गलती कर रहे हैं उसको सुधार. Keep in mind, not necessary to write. अगर बोला जाए टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस फैक्टर तो आप वो भी लिख लेना, पर अपने दिमाग में ये जरूर रखो पॉन्ड कितनी दूर है. 2 किलोमीटर, 25 मिनट लगेगा ज्यादा ज्यादा वॉकिंग में. यस और नो? वो भी फटाफट चलोगे तो कम ही लगेगा. एक्सकेवेशन साइट इज 0.5 किलोमीटर. सवाई मान ब्रिज कितनी दूर है? ये है पत्थरपुर 15 किलोमीटर, कितनी देर लगेगा? सो नाउ दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आल्सो वी हैव पुट इट. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड बाय दिस. यस और नो? सो नाउ दिस इज द वे यू हैव टू डिस्कस, द वे यू हैव टू राइट, and thereafter you have to discuss, and thereafter you have to conclude. I hope everything is clear to all of you. So I hope you will be able to do group planning exercise better now. God bless you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.